Hello, I'm Phil West from Carol Nash Inside Bikes, and we're here in sunny Marseille in the south of France for the launch of the model year 24 new Harley-Davidson Road Glide, this one with the fairing mounted fairing, and Street Glide, the one with the familiar batwing, except it's not very familiar. You may recognise it slightly from the CVO models that came out last August. They're based on that model, but they're a little bit more basic, but a little bit more affordable, but they've got all the good stuff. So you've got the new aerodynamics, new lines on the batwing fairing and the new lines on the shark nose Road Glide fairing, then more smoothed out, more sleek, more light. Crucially, there's a new engine. It's a 117 cubic inch. It's not the same as the Breakdown, the ones that's got different top end, different valves, different intake. It's 11% more powerful than the old Street Glide. I think it's about 7% more torquey. Overall, the bike is lighter. I forget the exact figures. I think it's 8 kilograms lighter on the Street Glide, this one, 7 kilograms on the Road Glide. So it's lighter overall. Clever things like a lighter, thinner wall frame, engine internals, lots of stuff. It's got more tech. It's got this fabulous new 13-inch TFT screen, which replaces the old 6.5-inch one on the old model. It's got an infotainment system. It's got new switch gear. I say the engine's a little bit perky, a little bit lighter. The chassis is a little bit lighter. But what's it like to ride? Well, all of that stuff counts. It's nimbler, it's lighter, not massively so. I say it's 7 kilograms and 8 kilograms difference, but you do feel it. It's easier to manage when you're wheeling it around. It's a little bit perkier in the engine, but most of all, it's a nicer place to be when you're riding it. It's a lovely place to be. It's still very much a Harley-Davidson Street Glide or Road Glide. The finish is excellent, and it's all round better. It's better looking, it's better equipped, it goes better performance-wise, it's lighter, it's more nimble. But you know the best thing of all? It's actually cheaper than the old one too. The Road Glide is £1,000 cheaper than last year. The Street Glide is £500 cheaper than last year, and they're better bikes. So for me, it's a win-win-win all round. It's a great bike.